7 must-have browser extensions for productivity. 1. Grammarly, write like a pro. Grammarly checks your spelling, grammar, and tone in real time. Whether you're emailing, blogging, or messaging, it's like having a writing coach in your browser. 2. OneTab, declutter your tabs. Too many open tabs? OneTab collapses them into a simple list, saving memory and reducing distraction. You can restore them anytime. 3. Dark Reader, protect your eyes. This extension adds dark mode to every website, making long reading or late-night work easier on your eyes. 4. Stay focused, block time-wasting sites. Easily block distracting websites for a set amount of time so you can stay focused and get more done. Momentum, turn your new tab into a productivity hub. Replace your boring new tab with beautiful images, daily goals, to-do lists, and inspiring quotes to keep you motivated. 6. Todoist for Chrome, task management made simple. Add tasks directly from your browser, organize projects, and track your progress without switching tabs. Loom, record quick videos. Need to explain something fast? Loom lets you record your screen and webcam instantly. Perfect for tutorials, feedback, or async updates. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channel.